The Transportation Ministry has started to install CCTV along the Java's northern coastal highway in Tegal and Brebes, Central Java, ahead of Lebaran Exodus. The CCTV monitoring will be accessible through smartphones, allowing people to forecast traffic condition along the route during the homecoming traffic. Authorities will install CCTV at several spots that are prone to traffic congestion, including at Simpang Maya, Pejagan, and Murigas Station. Meanwhile, Tegal Police's Traffic Unit Officer, Adjunct Commissioner Aris, says contraflow method will also be enacted on 2 routes to curb traffic peaks, including from Brebes Tegal Kota to Slawi and from Kaligangsa to Anyer.
Kita untuk di Panturanya ada 5 titik, yang satu di tol Brebes. Tol Brebes ada 3 titik, yang di sini ada 1 titik, terus yang di pom bensin Kaligangsa 1 titik.
Dan nanti apabila ada kabar atau informasi dari Brebes apabila kepadatan mulai memuncak, kita nanti memberlakukan kontraflow. Dalam arti kata, kesepakatan antara Brebes sampai Tegal Kota sampai Selawi nanti disiapkan kontraflow dari Kaligangsa sampai ke Anyer.